Going over BBAI stock today, currently down about 3%, and we've had such a sell-off over the past few weeks here. The overall market is shaky, so I don't blame BBAI stock for being at such lows, but keep in mind that we did have a pretty big run up to $10.36, now having a really big pullback. So personally, I'm going to be going over, do I think this is a good dip opportunity between 258 and 370? In my personal opinion, I do believe that between 258 and 370 is going to be a good dip opportunity for those that are looking to go long term on BBAI stock. What I would just caution on is if we confirm a break below 258 and confirm one of these closes below 258, especially on the weekly chart, I would be very careful of a potential downside all the way down towards $1.16. This is just my opinion. I'm not in any position right now for BBAI stock, full disclosure. So with the downside being said, with the current price, that's about a 63% drop, okay? I'm going to go ahead and go over the upside as well. I just want to keep that in mind, that the potential downside to $1.16 is going to be about a 63% drop. Now, what I'm minimally looking for in case there is a short-term drop to 258, that's going to be about a 13% drop. That's kind of to be expected in my opinion. If we compare it to the current prices to the upside, I think 370 is the resistance to keep an eye out for, and that's about a 18% move towards the top side. Once we do break above 370, there are going to be a couple of resistances on the way back up, and I'm sure BBAI will have its news and headlines where we start to get a rally again in the future, okay? I can't exactly say when this will occur, but once the overall market comes back up, I would expect to see BBAI stock to get a bit of momentum move back up as well. So 370, 18%. 450 is the next resistance there, which will also fulfill our gap fill, which is going to be about a 42% move, followed by the third resistance here, which is my personal price target of $5.28. I think that will be tested as well, and that's a 69% move towards the upside. And again, the RSI at the moment on the daily chart is at 30, slightly below 30 as well, so it is currently oversold in my opinion. Viewing this chart, we're also below the MACD, and I think once we get that reversal, I would definitely keep an eye out for a move back up towards the top side. I've shared with you the downside potential and the upside potential, and personally, this is just my opinion, I'm leaning towards the upside potential. I'm not in any position for BBAI stock, although I might consider entering between 258 and 370, depending on the price action here going into the next couple of days. But like I said, caution on a drop below 258. If we can respect that level of support, I would then keep an eye out for a reversal back up to 370 and towards $5.28. Now, again, if this sounds absurd or crazy to you, 69% move towards the top side, look what we've done in the past, right? And as fast as it drops down, right, as fast as a stock drops down, it could also go back up just as fast as well. So I just want to keep that in mind, vice versa. Things that go up as fast can go down as fast as well. And you can also look for a bounce back up towards the top side. Look at that 50 EMA there. That's also close to the $5 range between 450 and 530. 50 EMA currently at 497. So that's just something to keep an eye out for if we break above the 100 EMA. That's going to be at $4.12. So some resistances to keep an eye out for. And again, I'm leaning towards the top side here for BBAI. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you don't have a community already, there's no hype, there's no BS. You can join our Discord. No one is like telling everyone to like buy now, hold now. There's none of that stuff in our Discord. If you're just looking for a calm community to share due diligence, ask questions, and share opinions with for BBAI stock or any other stock, we do have 32,000 people in our Discord. Link down below in the description, and it's free to join. If you're looking for our live entries and exits, we do have 20 analysts sharing stocks and options live entries and exits alerts in our Patreon. Currently 90% off permanent discount as we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Check those links out down below in the description if you're interested. And we will see you in the next video for BBAI stock. Thanks for watching.